Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change your Gmail name using a phone. There's a common misconception that you can change your username, but that's not quite true. However, you can modify the name people see when they receive your emails. With that said, let us jump to our video. Open your computer and sign in to your Gmail account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will open a new tab with your Google account settings. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the Send Mail As section. Here, you will see the name currently displayed on your outgoing emails. Click on Edit Info. A pop-up window will appear. In the Name field, enter the new name you want recipients to see. Once you're happy with your choice, click Save Changes at the bottom of the window. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name on your Gmail account. Keep in mind that this name change will be reflected across all Google products linked to your account, like YouTube or Drive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that thumbs up like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Remember to hit that notification bell so you can watch all of the videos. I hope this video helps you personalize your Gmail experience. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will be happy to assist. See you next time.